Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share Artisan Journal Prompt 2024. It's an open collaboration with Patti over at Life with Patti. We are in week 38. Our prompt that Patti gave us was magazine and book cutouts. So let me show you my page. This one was really cool because I really liked the magazine that I pulled these pictures from. So where's my magazine? Okay. So I picked this magazine to use for my journal prompt, and I love these pictures that was in the magazine. I don't know, something about, I don't know, it's just really cool, and it just looks so different. Look at this little person's head, it's so funny. I just love that. And then I just put in some pop of color. These were little thumbnails in the magazine, and then I added some words to it, and I just love how it turned out. So this is my page for this week's prompt. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.